with my horse show. I got 3rd place and 6th place. And now I'm getting ready to go swimming at the Mendel's.
And
I love my mommy and Papa, mothers, my dog, and the horses. I said Jessica.
You said Jessica. I didn't hear you say Jessica. She said Jessica. Are you going to tell them it's your birthday?
don't sit there like a bump on a bumper. Say
Are you
something.
bump on a
How old are you going to be, Jessica? On
4 and a half. 5 months?
5 years old. Next year, Jessica's going to kindergarten
Right.
at Spalding School. Right?
Right.
All right.
Right. I wonder what happened to Scott.
Maybe he's still inside.
What's he doing?
Playing with dominoes.
He is. Jessica called me up and said, you know what, Grandma? I know what you're going to say on my birthday. Tell her what I'm going to say.
What does Grandma say on your birthday?
Yeah.
What does Grandma say on your birthday, Jessica? Huh?
What?
5 years ago, today, I don't know if it's going to be a boy or a girl.
Sooner pull down Jello, Grandma.
With the carrots in it.
With some carrots in it.